Melted plastic or wax can create stubborn stains on various surfaces, but there are effective methods for removal. Start by heating an iron to its highest dry setting and placing a paper bag or wax paper over the stain. Gently iron the area to transfer the melted substance to the paper. Then, peel it off while still warm. If remnants remain, use a carpet cleaner or rubbing alcohol to scrub the area. For more stubborn stains, consider freezing the wax or plastic and chipping it away. Acetone from nail polish remover can also help, but test it on a small area first, as it can stain. Once softened, scrape off the residue with a putty knife or similar tool. If needed, WD-40 can further dissolve any leftover gunk. Finally, clean the area with soap and water or a heavy-duty cleaner if necessary.